large format letters, one of the things that I really love about the CNC machine is that it allows you to make letters that are really big. You can put them on the door, you can put them on the wall, whatever you want to do with them. But today I wanted to kind of show you guys how that process works. It's 3 or 4 different programs that you actually have to work in, so it can be kind of all over the place. So just wanted to kind of show you guys how it's done. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and this is where everything starts. So in Adobe Illustrator, what we're going to do is basically pick our font as well as size our large format letter, whatever size we would like to size it. Okay, so we start that out by going over here, picking out our T, which is our text, clicking over in our creative space, and then choosing the font that we would like our A to be in. After that, we're then going to make sure that we've got the A size to 16 inches wide and 20 inches tall, which is the correct size that we would like this to be cut out in. And then after that, we're going to save this file in a PDF before moving on to VCarve, which is the next program we'll be working in. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do is move over into our VCarve program. Our VCarve program is our program where we're going to set our instructions for our UC CNC program. Like I told you guys, it's 3 different programs. We're first of all working in Adobe Illustrator, then we're working in VCarve, and then we will move on to our UC CNC program. So this is kind of like the bridge between Adobe Illustrator and our Final Cut instructions for our UC CNC machine. So in this particular program, which is called VCarve again, you'll just see where I have the letter that I'm going to cut out, and then I have inside instructions and then outside instructions. So these can be 2 different things. My inside instructions, of course, are going to be for the machine to cut inside of the A. The outside is going to be for the machine to cut outside of the A. And then the very last thing that I need to do here is to save our instructions into what we call G code. Once we save them into G code, we can then move on into our UC CNC program. So let's do that. And last but not least, here we have our UC CNC program. This is where we load our G code that we just made from our VCarve program. So I'll be able to go in here, click load file. Then I can come down and I'm going to find our profiles. Here we have our inside A profile and our outside A profile. I'm going to click the outside A just so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. Now this is telling me where our machine is oriented. That's where we see our basically kind of our cross section here. And then this kind of tells me exactly where it's going to print or what it's going to print. So with this program, guys, I can just make sure that I'm on point and that my material is in a position to where I'm not going to overshoot our material or try to print outside of our material. And then, guys, we're ready to print. So guys, that is how we make our large format letters. You know, really cool to hang on doors or put on walls, whatever you want to do. So after we get them all cut out, and of course we prime them and do all that good stuff. And then the next thing you want to do, of course, is just paint it whatever color you want to paint it. So you can do some really cool letters, guys. We got some really cool things that you can do. So just something to think about for you guys that may be interested in a CNC machine. You may be interested in ordering one of these large format letters. Definitely hit us up. All right. Thanks for watching.